Well, finally got the front fender on the 70. Supposed to be my mini-me to my 350X. So, I mean, still got a little ways to go. I do want to coat my 70 tank with a tank liner. So I could either paint it white or maybe wrap it. One of the two. Either way. If not, red's fine. Doesn't have to be exact, but I'm eventually gonna try to get some bead locks for this old bad Larry. Match these. I'll black out the front wheel on a 70. Then do little bits and pieces, get some graphics for. But get that fucking front fender on tonight. It's Jason Tetz. He does really fucking nice carbon fiber work. This is fiberglass, this one. This came out fucking awesome. Fit good. I mean, he's got them in there for stock 70s. But I fit them right onto the BW triples, no problem. Actually fit pretty fucking good. I mean, all I had to do was drill 2 holes. I don't know if you can see in there. But there's existing holes in the bottom of the BW triples. And you just drill 2 holes in the fender and get them right up in there. Fits on pretty fucking well. Not bad. He gives you bolts, rubbers, you know, a couple rubber spacers, a regular spacer. And it fits pretty good. Not bad at all. Very nice option for our little bikes, because there really ain't many out there besides regular 70 fenders. But this old girl's coming along. Definitely looking pretty good. And it's fucking fun as hell, man. I have a great time on this little fucking thing. Definitely not the biggest, baddest, but fuck. I don't give a shit. I have a great time with it. Yeah. So yeah, just want to do a little update. Finally got that fender on there. I'm going to work on getting some actual lights hooked up. I got the 350X sitting there, but it definitely needs some pigtails, bulbs, and somehow I got to wire it up. I do have power coming off of this Lifen. I don't know what it is, how much it is. You know, I haven't checked that. I just hit it with the old test light, and I got a plug. It's just chilling. It's giving power, so we'll see. Alright, guys. Stay tuned. Hopefully I have some more on that. What else do I got going on? I'm going to eventually pull this back apart. I got new bearings for the front end for this Gibson Long Travel. I had put new ones in fall, and they're fucking stiff as all hell. Not liking them one bit, so I did order some new ones, and they're the right ones. So those will be going in soon. And I got the CRF 450 torn apart. Fucking valves. Valves were out of spec. Well, the intake was good. The exhaust side was out. But I got that ripped apart. While I'm here, I'm going to throw a new fucking cam chain on it. My adjuster was bottomed right the fuck out. So, you know what that means. She was too fucking stretched. So yeah, gonna do that. I want to, I did order the Trail Tech heavy stator, and what else was with it? The heavy flywheel correction, along with that 40 watt output stator, which I believe when you use it with the Trail Tech, it gives you 70 watt. So I should be able to get some fucking lights going on this old dirty whore too. So that'll be coming up. I'm definitely going to try to actually make a real video with my experiences with this. Here's my old fucking cam shims. My old shitty scribbles. But I think while I got it out too, I'm going to try to acquire one of those hut cams, stage 2. Fucking swap this stalker out while she's apart. That, along with, I'm going to be building this 310 very, very fucking soon, hopefully. The old trike it's ready for isn't ready, but at least I'd have the engine ready. And I did just pick this up. Needs a new sleeve. That's a 350. That'll eventually go into that whore. Yeah. Well, alright guys. Sorry a little longer than I anticipated, but a lot of shit going on in here. Hopefully get some better videos going there when it starts to warm up. It's been cold as a motherfucker. Alright. Well, have a good night, guys. Like, share, do what you do. We'll talk soon.